Okay, so the next position that we're selecting for pails and rails is going to be a seated forward bend with a single leg. So I'm picking one leg to move forward. Again, any position that we select is going to start with 2 minutes of passive stretch so that you can settle into the tissue and find your end range. So we're breathing into that spot. Primarily focused on the hip joint here as far as pulling myself forward with hip flexion. But we've got a little bit of knee extension going on as well. We've got length coming to the hip and we've got length coming to the knee here. All right, so we got 2 minutes of passive stretching. Now we're ready to hit our pails and rails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my end range, and then from here I'm going to actively flex the hip up as if I'm trying to lift it off the floor, but because I'm in my full end range, the leg's not moving. That doesn't change the fact that I have that internal isometric tension at both the quad and the hip for 20 seconds. That's going to be our rail. We actually started with the regressive side. Then I'm going to push down into the floor. So now I'm actively pushing the floor away for our pail. Going for 20 seconds here. Going about 20%, 30% of my maximum. A little bit of shaking is a good thing. That means you're building some stability. So we got 20 seconds started with the rail that time, and then 20 seconds on the pail. So that's 20 and 20. That's one round. We're going to hit 2 rounds for each side. Go ahead and switch to the left. Again, we spend 2 minutes working our way into our end range. I've already kind of pre-stretched before this video, so I've already kind of found my end range on this side. I'm going to start with the pail this time. So I'm going to push down into the floor, beginning my 20-second pail. Engaging the hip, engaging the posterior chain, a little curl with the hamstring, a little extension with the hip. Again, very difficult to see from the outside. Looking for 20 seconds here. And I'm going to relax and flip the script. I'm going to extend my quad. And I'm going to flex my hip as if I'm trying to lift the leg off the floor. But because I'm in my end range, not going to happen. Internal tension, 20 seconds. So that was 20 and 20, pails and rails on each side. So I would just do one more set on each side. So we've got a 2-minute stretch, 20 and 20, 20 and 20. That's going to be about a little over 3 minutes per leg.